Hi, this is the introductory session for the TCE Economics exam preparation guide. I wanted to spend a few moments talking about the overview of the economics exam. The exam specs have changed. The most notable change from last year is that there's just one section, there's 3 sections. Last year we had sections C and D looking at criterion 3 and 4 each, but they've been combined, and I'll explain a little bit about that in a moment. But you can see there's 3 sections. The first one assesses criterion 1, criterion 2 for section B, 3 and 4 in section C. Criterion 5, which is the communication criteria, is also assessed with each section. Let's look at section A now. There's been reorganisation in the way that these questions are asked. So in short, there's 9 questions, of which you have to answer 6, but they're grouped into 3 lots of 3, and they have been grouped into the syllabus unit. So in unit 1 you've got introduction to economics, so you've got to do 2 out of 3 questions. Economic management is 2 out of 3, and global economy is 2 out of 3. And similarly for section B, it's exactly the same, obviously doing that in relation to criterion 2, the graph tables and diagrams, interpretation of data question. So again, from unit 1, introduction to economics, is 2 out of 3, and so on and so forth, as you can see here in relation to unit 2 and unit 3. In relation to section C now, last year we had a section C and D. So C was for criterion 3 and D was for criterion 4. What has been decided that you must do 2 questions now from section C. You had to do 1 each from section C and D last year. But each question has been broken up into 6 parts. The first 3 parts will assess criterion 3, economic problems, and then the next 3 questions relate to solving that economic problem, which is criterion 4. Okay, so that's a big change. The way that they've been set up too is that there'll be the first 2 questions, you get 1 out of 2 choices there, which will be to do with section unit 1 and 2 from the syllabus, and the second pair of questions will then be from the unit 3 of the syllabus, which is the global economy. So there's a brief overview of what you have to do there, and following this clip will be another 3 clips, 1 on each one of the sections, complete with some questions and answers. I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you.